guys, NCWQ here, and I have y'all looking at Google Earth, and these are the earthquakes that have occurred today in California. We'll start with a 2.3 down here in Southern California. This is a 2.3. It was 8 kilometers deep. You can see this is Fish Rocks here. This is China Lake's Naval Station over here. And then we have Ridgecrest also in the same area. Move on to the next one, which was a 5.8. It was offshore Northern California. And you can see this one was 10 kilometers deep. And this right here is the Mendocino. This is a one of the fault lines down there. Sorry, you guys. Brain's not working correctly today. My brain is broken. It's also the San Andreas. So we'll move now on to the next one, which is a 2.5. It was also offshore California. It was on the other side. And this right here is the Cascadia subduction zone. Move to the next one, which was a 2.5, also in the same area, which is falling on the other side of the Mendocino. And I'm clicking this so that y'all can see which faults these are. This is the Mendocino. Move on to the next one, which was a 2.4. This was in Northern California. This is Signal Point Creek. And we can see that this is the San Andreas here. The San Andreas runs all the way down that way. And this is Rancheria here, Manchester. Move on to the next one, which was a 2.5. This was occurring also in our swarm location here. So it's near where the 5.8 hit. Next one was a 2.4. This is the Mendocino. And the San Andreas comes to right here, and then it becomes the Mendocino. The next one was a 5.0. It was on the other side of the fault line here, on this side. So this to me implies movement. The next one was a 2.5. We can see that is occurring in between these two faults. This fault here is the Cascadia subduction zone. The next one was a 2.0 in Southern California. Nice and hilly here. And this is Banning right here. And this here is, well, I don't know what this area, but that's Saboba Springs. This is San Jacinto. I don't know if there'd be a view up in there. So there's no view in that area. The next one is a 3.0 offshore, and the little swarm area that's going on here. And this is the Cascadia subduction zone here. The next one was a 3.1. It was also offshore. Don't recall seeing them out that far, but there's one out here. Next one was a 2.6. This one is Central California. And if I'm correct, that's San Andreas. That's the creeping section here. And And that's oils of Pessines there. Next one was a 2.8, and this one was offshore as well. This is also on this other side of this fault here. Mendocino. And the last one was a 2.6, and this was Central California. And this is occurring near the San Andreas as well. And that is the airline highway here. Let's do a tilt. There you go. Y'all can see it's nice and hilly here. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd give y'all a real quick update and show y'all where those quakes are occurring. I hope y'all are doing well. Please be safe. Take care of yourselves and each other.